Now we start question 2. During the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weight was recorded as the following. Draw the less than type of ogive. We have to draw less than type of ogive for a given data and find the median from graph, and also verify the result by using the formula. ग्राफ पर से हमको फाइंड करने का है मीडियन, एंड वी हैव टू वेरीफाई बाय द यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला एज पर 14.3. Now that we start the solution, table is given that less than 38, frequency 0, less than 40, frequency 3, less than 42, frequency 5, less than 44, frequency 9, less than 46, frequency 14, less than 48, frequency 28, less than 50, frequency 32, less than 52, frequency 35. Now made a class for the less than type of ogive. I have asked that the x-axis taken as the upper limit and on y-axis cumulative frequency. So less than था मतलब that is 38 is upper limit. Upper limit 38 0.43, 42 5, 44 9, 46 14, 48 28, 50 32, 52 35. They are points which are plot in the graph. Now we start from first point 38 0. So here 38 0. 43, here 43. 42 5, 42, here 5. 44 9, 44 9, 46 14. Here we take 46 14. 48 28, 48. We take 28 28. 50 32, 50. More than 30 means 32. 52 35, 52. We take 35 is here. This is 35. Now we draw the graph by freehand. Now we have to find the median. हमको मीडियन फाइंड करने का है. तो नंबर ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 35. We know that m equal to n upon 2th observation of cumulative frequency. N upon 2 means 17.5. 13 upon 2, 35 upon 2, 17.5. Where he takes 17.5 here. This is 0 and 17.5. Now we draw the straight line passing through parallel to x-axis. We draw a dot line. This is the point of y-axis 17.5. Now on x-axis, we see that it is exactly middle in the x-axis. This is m. Here point 46.5, 0. 46.5, 0. Therefore median equal to 46.5. Now using the formula we can solve the sum. The calculation by formula. We know that the median class is 46 to 48. 46 to 48 because m equal to n upon 2, 13.5 0 में से माइनस होता नहीं है, 17.5 3 में से भी होता नहीं है, 5 में से होता नहीं है, 9 में नहीं होता, 14 में से नहीं होता, 28 में से माइनस होता है, इसलिए ये 48 वाला क्लास होगा। तो 46 to 48, therefore L equal to 46. CF equal to above the frequency, commutative frequency, so 14. Now small f equal to, we have to find the small f. Small f equal to we write the 14. Height of class H equal to 2. Now 14 कैसे आया? ते small f equal to 28 minus 14 equal to 14. Yes, small f. Now use the formula m equal to L plus n upon 2 minus Cf upon small f into h. Here L equal to 46 n upon 2 17.5 minus 14 upon 14 into class length 2 equal to 46 plus 17.5 minus 14, 3.5 multiply 2 upon 14 equal to 46 plus 7 upon 14, 1 upon 2, therefore m equal to 46 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 46 plus 0.5, therefore m equal to 46.5, which is equal to graph. We find graph, therefore it is median is both are same, both are same by calculation and by graph, Thank you.